This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Oxygen sensors replacement. Pull the hood release lever located under the steering column. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable nut on the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. The locations of the oxygen sensors and the electrical connectors are as follows. Upstream sensors. One upstream sensor is located on the right side of the vehicle, accessed through the right front fender well with the wheel and splash shield removed. The other upstream sensor is located on the left side of the vehicle, accessed through the left front fender well. Downstream sensors. The downstream sensors are located underneath the vehicle and are mounted directly to the exhaust pipes. Oxygen sensor replacement. Remove the fender well splash shield. Trace the electrical lead from the sensor to the electrical connector and disconnect it. Also free the wiring harnesses from any retaining clips. Unscrew and remove the oxygen sensor. Install the sensor and tighten it securely. Reconnect the sensor electrical connector, as well as attaching the wiring harness to the necessary retaining clips. Install the fender well splash shield, securing it with the various fasteners. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Unblock the wheels. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely.